Thutha wa gukira kunene, President Ruto ni aritie iguru ria kambuni ya Adani akiuga ino ni imwe ya njira cia guthara Kenya kumana na ngarama nene ya kuriha ngombo, kuona kambuni ino iri na wiguithanio na thirikari uria ikwiriha mbeca iria igutumira.
The Adani Group are investing in the transmission line. Their money, 95 billion. We would have otherwise gone to borrow that money, burden the people of Kenya. This is now a private sector investment, the same way Keshan here is a private sector investment, the same way Sosian is a private sector investment. We will pay for that transmission line using a wheeling charge.
Kuringana na President, unyitanĩri wa thirikari na kambuni cia andũ kĩũmbe nĩ ũmwe wa njĩra cia gũkinyanĩria tabarĩra cia ũthii wa na mbere bũrũri-inĩ, thirikari ĩtekũhũthĩra mbeca ciayo.
And it is important for us as a nation to appreciate that a partnership between public and the private sector gives us a win-win outcome where we can deliver public services and public goods using the efficiency of the private sector, investment of the private sector as a way of supporting overall development in our country.
Haha Ruto akiuga bũrũri wa Kenya ũrĩ na hinya mũingĩ wa kũhũthĩka na ũrĩa gũkinyĩria rĩu no gĩcunjĩ gĩa 10 harĩ 100 kĩrahũthĩka, ndeto ĩrĩa atarĩirie ĩrĩ na mweke mwega kũrĩ aigithia hinya-inĩ wa thitima kũingĩra gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ kũigithia.
Investors believe in Kenya more than we do as Kenyans. This Keshan, a company from America, has built confidence in our country. They are putting their money, 12 billion shillings in this project, because they believe in Kenya. I want to ask us as the people of Kenya to believe in ourselves and believe in our country.
Investors invariably follow energy. And not just energy, but affordable and reliable energy. And that is what this power plant is going to achieve. When investors come, ordinarily, of course, we shall have more opportunities for employment of our young people.
Through such a framework, we will attract more investors, restore and grow our manufacturing sector by leveraging on available resources like geothermal energy and the untapped potential in agriculture and agribusiness, among other opportunities.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV kuma Menengai kaunti-inĩ ya Naikuru, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Robert wa Maina.